My country pipo, una welcome back to my channel today. Venita don come out come shade Adekunle and his fans and other fans wey be say dey insult her of being a single mother, and she use Queen wey just marry as a reference for the shading. And also Soma don go edit the birthday message wey be say e give, wey e write for Angel during her 24th birthday. Im don edit and im don delete all her photos from a page. So as we all know, Soma and Angel dey date. After some time we come dey hear some kind rumour. Today e go be as if dem don reconcile, tomorrow dem go fight again, e go be as if dem don fight, dem don break up. We know right now, we no know where the ship stand, we no know whether they still dey on or dem no dey on again. So of recent, Soma just come for a page, the happy birthday message wey be say e write up for a page that time to Angel, im don go edit am. So this na the birthday message. I no fit read am, una just read am una sef. But check the last line for the message, you go see say that place wey write happy birthday my baby I love you, im don remove the my baby I love you and the tagging wey tag Angel. For the down, you go see for the other one wey dey edited there, you go see happy birthday Angel. Im no talk say happy birthday my baby anymore. Im edit and clean that part comot and delete all her photos from a page. The truth be say Angel na first delete Soma photos from her page, so I think Soma just dey realize say there's no hope anymore. Im come try to do the same thing wey be say she do am. So some Sonja shippers don come out come react over this thing wey be say Soma do. So the first person here say Angel edited hers first and deleted some of his pictures, which I didn't like no matter what happened. So Soma only do same to tell her all is fair in war. So relax, even simply quarrel, and we all have exes, so it's no big deal. But this case is not Angel's fault though. She reacted badly and extreme. For to me, I believe say those two people that they use us they do jangolova love, according to wetin white money talk. You never can tell. Most of the time Angel don't even talk her inside Big Brother House say she no dey like social media love, she no dey like social media stuff. If she dey date man, she no dey like follow the man for social media. What if these two people don see say shippers too dey invested in their relationship, they won't come just dey show us the thing wey be say we wan see, so that they go just dey for corner, they continue their dating. E fit be like that too, but who knows. One wey be say two of them dey do, may God be their strength. Unto Venita matter, of recent, Queen wey be say we know she don marry, and she marry a fresh young man as a single mom. So a lot of people dey speculate say she don get belle, na make the man dey marry her. Sometimes some people, if they talk online, I go just dey look dem dey laugh. She get belle and she don plan her white wedding for October. You wan tell me say she wan carry big belle take go the white wedding for October? Make everybody just calm down. So Venita come now to come shook her mouth inside the matter. According to Venita, she say the whole Nigeria, the whole women, everybody they congratulate Queen, everybody they clap for Queen. Say but when e reach her turn, everybody go dey insult her. Say make Nigerians keep the same energy wey be say they take and support Queen, make they use the same energy to support her instead of mocking her. So make I read wetin she writes. A particular fan of her na ask her, na talk some kind thing wey be say she can't respond. So the person say by God's grace yours will come soon. Can't wait for that day. Silently praying for you when Queen was doing her civil wedding yesterday. So Venita can say amen. I hope the women and mothers who support her extend that same grace in real life, especially if and when a good woman who already has a child slash children becomes the choice of affection of their son and or brothers. When I remember say news come at that time wey be say Adekunle and Venita come out from the house, there was a rumor wey be say they go on where they thought say Adekunle family no gree accept Venita because she don born two children, all those type of thing, and because of her bad character too, and also because she dey older than him. So now that thing na she dey refer to for here. So this she continue say, and yes, I'm speaking from experience as a single mother with kids who is regularly demonized by other women who don't know me personally online. The truth be say Venita, I'm not sure say anybody go fine. I'm not say people really drag Venita where they insult her for her age, insult her for this thing, but I believe say na because of the way she behave for inside Big Brother house. Queen, we watch Queen for inside Big Brother house. That girl na collected person. She dey very reserved, she dey very sweet. You know, if you just see Queen, may you hate her. Now just the honest truth. When Queen come out of Big Brother house, she not get any backlash, she not get any bad news. Now only the only thing wey be say trend for Queen, now that her Lord Lambert matter wey be say she carry belle for the guy, and the backlash wey she collect when she born was too much. That was the only thing, and the girl not talk anything. So you no fit compare yourself Venita with Queen. Now just the honest truth. So Venita come still continue come say single mothers need the most support and care. Don't pay any attention to her telling you she's good. She will always say so cause she has to be regardless. Yes, e no easy for single mothers, but I believe to say if you be good woman, good things go happen to you. Believe me, e dey work like that. Make we see some reaction after Venita drop this thing for her Snapchat. So the first person here come say bad character Venita, but Queen is a nice lady. The other one come say the bad behavior you showed on Big Brother, show abi. Another one come say chai Venita, you always have a point but makes it a shade at the wrong time. Who are you always fighting with? Yes, she dey try to explain her own ordeal, but in the process she dey shade certain people and e no make sense. Like if you want to say something, say it direct instead of throwing shade. That person say talk too much. Another one say Venita such a hypocrite. She basically frustrated Vio. Ha! Fear God, Venita. You are not in a position to speak on this. Imagine this one now they talk abstract. Is V a single mother? Where this one they talk the one way they talk? Or some people just you hate person, you just they talk what you don't know. So the last person I can say coming from Venita with her character and vineness, please miss me with that. Queen is so deserving. We watch both of them and there's a stark difference in their attitude. She should do better first. People will easy support her. My 2 cents. Nobody should come for me. Yes, I support this particular person's statement too. Venita just need to calm down a little bit. She's a lot. Mo tell herself the truth. She's a lot. The way she dey even behave with Adekunle that time, it was too much. No man go fit cope with that kind of character. If she fit calm down, believe me, that lady is very beautiful. At the age of 37, see the way she clean like that. So if she calm down, I believe say she go meet good man, fresh man safe. Una take care, una bye.